Welcome to sixth grade math. This is for lesson 150. This is, we're doing pages 271 and 272. We've got temperature review and then your general review before your test on Wednesday, okay? So this should be Monday, April 20th, and we're gonna go over some flashcards and then I'm gonna let you take your speed drill. There's a minute for the speed drill, and when you come back, we will look at your, we'll go over some review, and then I'll let you do your page. Okay, so 6 times 11, 66, all right, 7 times 6, 42, 12 times 3, 36, 10 times 8, 8, 12 times 12, 144, 7 times 12, 84, 10 times 11, 110, 3 times 7, 21, 6 times 9, 54, 9 times 12, 108, 5 times 5, 25, 5 times 10, 50, 12 times 6, 72, 7 times 4, 28. All right, how'd you do with that? I went pretty fast. I was hoping that you guys would say them before me. I gave just a little pause so that you could say it. So we'll try it one more time, and then I'll let you take your speed draw. 6 times 11, 66. 7 times 6, 42. 12 times 3, 36. 10 times 8, 80. 12 times 12, 144. 7 times 12, 84. 10 times 11, 110. 3 times 7, 21. 6 times 9, 54. 9 times 12, 108. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 10, 50. 12 times 6, 72. 7 times 8, 4, 28. 6 times 6, 11. 66. 6 times 11, 66. Wow, all right. Let you pause it to go take your speed drill. All right, I hope you did well on that speed drill. We're going to go with some review of our, some review on temperature. I'm gonna start with this review on solving for x and some of our subtraction. So if we have x divided by 5 minus 6 equals 3, what is our first step that we have to do? What's the goal? We want to do what? We want to get x by itself, right? So we need to get all the other numbers on this side, right? So if we have minus 6, what do? We plus 6, right? So x divided by 5 minus 6 plus 6 equals 3 plus 6, because what we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. Very good. All right. So we have x over 5 on this side, and then 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay, I didn't give myself a whole lot of room for this, I realized. So I'm going to bring that up here a little bit. All right. So x divided by 5 equals 6. I'm going to erase this because I'm going to need that space for the subtraction. All right, so our next step is to do what? Which one do we have to move? Well, we can't really move the 9, right? So we got to move the 5, and it's being divided, so we have to do what to it? Multiply, okay? That gets rid of it there. We multiply by 5 here. X is equal to 9 times 5, which is 45, okay? 45. If we were to plug that in, 45 divided by 5, minus 6 is equal to 3. So 45 divided by 5 is what? 9. 9 minus 6, is that 3? Yes. Okay, so we could do 3 equals 3. There you go. All right. This one, we have 6 feet and 3 inches minus 2 feet and 8 inches, okay? So we need to know we need to subtract this. And can we do 3 minus 8? No. So we're going to have to borrow, right? And in this case, we borrow from our feet. We have a 5. And how many inches are in a foot? 12. So 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay, 15 minus 8 gets us 7 inches, right? And then 5 minus 2 is 3 feet. Okay, 3 feet 7 inches is how we write that. Okay, just for some space, if you need to go back and pause that, you can see that again. But I'm going to we're going to convert 19 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, and then we're going to convert 113 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius, okay? So if we are given Celsius, we need our formula that starts with F, right? Fahrenheit equals 9/5 times C plus 32, okay? So I want you guys to make sure that you're writing out the formula. Okay, so 9/5 times 19 plus 32. Now, can we add 19 and 32 first, or do we have to multiply it first? We go back to our order of operations, and multiplying comes before addition, right? So F equals, all right. So in this case, we're going to go 9 times 19, and I have to write that out because I don't know that one off the top of my head. It's 171 over 5. And we're going to have to divide that, and we're going to get our closest degree, right? So I'm going to show you how to do it with a decimal. The last time I showed you how to do it with a fraction. So 5 into 17 goes 3 times, 15, 4, okay, 10. Okay, so 34.2 is 34, is 2 bigger than 5 or smaller than 5? Smaller. So does that make 32 go up or stay the same? I mean 34. Stay the same, okay? So we really have 34 degrees to add to our 32, okay? All right, so you could do all of that work off to the side and just put in the numbers when you get to that. I don't want you to do, I mean, of course I want this written out, but some of those problems in between, you can write them off to the side. And in this, we have 66 degrees. And of course it's Fahrenheit because that's what that says over there. Okay, so 90 degrees Celsius is 66 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so that's how to do the Fahrenheit. Now we're giving 113 degrees Fahrenheit, and we need to know how many degrees it is Celsius. Okay, so we're going to use our C formula. C equals 5/9 times F minus 32, but that one's in parentheses. So you tell me what we have to do first. When we go back to our order of operations, what is that order we say? Okay, we do parentheses first, right? Parentheses, powers, multiplication, division in the order they come, and addition and subtraction then in the order that they come after you've done all your multiplication and division. Okay, so C equals 5/9, and we're going to multiply by, all right, just to make sure that my subtraction is correct, 3 minus 2 is 1, 11 minus 3 is 8. So yes, 81. By the way, I thought that. I just wanted to double check that I was thinking correctly, okay? So then here, can 9 go into 81? Yes, okay? So 9 goes into 81 9 times, and so C equals 5 times 9, which is 45 degrees, okay? So 113 degrees Fahrenheit is 45 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that's how to use those formulas. On your page, I'm just gonna go through and, you know what? So on the first page, I just want you to do all the problems except for the green problems. So there's 3 green in section 1, and 3 in 2, and 1 in 3, and then you're doing all of section 4, but they're all different problems. So, and then turn the page over you can pick one of the commission ones to do in the chart. And then section 6, do A and B. And section, or pick 2, I'm sorry, you can pick 2. I'll let you do that. And then section 7, pick 4 to do in section 7, okay? All right, so that's what I want you to do on these pages, and do your best, and we'll see you